Radar. The State Capture Commission of Inquiry is continuing today. It has started, and we're expecting Denel-related testimony at the capture. Let's go there now live.
Ms. Mandindi, you have provided an affidavit to the Commission, is that correct?
Yes, I have.
Chair, the affidavit is to be found in the Denel Bundle 01 as Exhibit W8.
Yes, I've got it. Thank you.
Thank you. And the affidavit for the record appears from page number Denel 01003. Ms. Mandindi, when I ask you questions and refer you to page numbers, or you give me page numbers of your affidavit, can we please look at the black letters on the top left rather than the red letters on the top right? Okay?
Yes, and Ms. Mandindi, he will just say page 3, for example, not 003, but then you know 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, and so on.
Yes, Chair.
Yes, okay.
Ms. Mandindi, is it correct you've had a consultation with us as the legal team as well, and we've been through your statement and asked you for clarification of certain issues?
It is correct.
And do you confirm that you are satisfied with the correctness of what you set out in your affidavit?
Yes, I am satisfied.
Right, may we now have regard to only the particular areas that we will want to focus on today. Just to look at your background, you were a
I'm sorry, Mr. Kennedy. Does she confirm that is her signature at page 9?
I beg your pardon.
Is that your signature at page 9, Ms. Mandindi, of your affidavit?
Yes, it is.
It is. And you confirm the contents of this affidavit to be true and correct to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes, yes, I have.
Okay, would you like me to admit it, Mr. Kennedy, as Exhibit W8?
Yes, please, Chair.
The affidavit of Ms. Nonyameko Mandindi will be admitted as Exhibit W8. Thank you.
Thank you, Chair. Ms. Mandindi, you describe yourself as a quantity surveyor by profession and qualification. Is that correct?
That's correct. That's my qualification.
But it appears that you have had experience also in managerial positions, executive positions.
Yes, over time I've progressed more into management and leadership roles.
Right.
Okay, may I ask you to just raise your voice and maybe don't speak too far from the microphone?
That would be good.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
And is it correct that you've served on various boards?
Yes, that's correct, I have.
Could you give a few examples? Whose board do you currently serve on?
I'm currently serving on two private sector boards, listed boards, Hyprop and Hudeko Industries.
And have you served previously on other boards apart from those entities and Denel?
I have served on public sector boards. PRASA, when it was still SARCC, I've served on PropNet, which is a subsidiary of Transnet. I've served on Intersight Board, so I have in the public sector as well.
And you mentioned in paragraph 4 on page 2 of your affidavit that you've also had involvement working on various infrastructure projects such as Gautrain, Monte Cassino, Sandton and Durban convention centres, etc.
Yeah, that's correct. Check.
What sort of work did that involve, very briefly?
Predominantly project management and quantity surveying involvement. Sure.
Now let's get to Denel. Is it correct that you were a non-executive director for a period of Denel SOC Limited?
That's correct, non-executive.
Who appointed you, Ms. Mandindi?
It was Minister Lynn Brown, the Minister of Public Enterprises at the time.
And And when did your appointment take effect?
The appointment was in May 2015 and the induction was around July 2015.
So your induction was in July 2015.
That's correct.
Can you recall when the first board meeting was when you attended, which you attended after going through the induction?
All right, former board member there, Nonyameko Mandindi, giving testimony, the State Capture Commission looking at allegations of corruption relating to the arms company Denel. We'll get back to the State Capture Commission in a short while.